Somebody please cue that fight.
Samurai Pizza Cats.
Oh yeah!
Who do you call when you want some pepperoni?
Samurai Pizza Cats.
Right on!
They're stamping out crime, and you know that ain't baloney. They're Speedy Cerviche, he's the leader of the bunch.
That's right.
A heck of a fighter, makes a heck of a lunch. And little Polyester, who's never afraid of going into battle when the bad guys invade. Here's Guido Anchovy, a wild romantic rover. This cat gets down with a love hangover.
Here come the Pizza Cats.
They're so bad, they've got more fur than any turtle ever had.
Stronger than old cheese.
Stronger than old cheese.
Stronger than dirt.
Stronger than dirt.
You step on their tail.
Out of my tail.
And you're gonna get hurt.
Don't hurt me.
Samurai Pizza Cats.
They're fighting crime all over town.
3, 2, 1. Pizza Cats are on the run.
The big cheese is the villain who's lower than low. It's a rotten shame he lives in Little Tokyo. We've got a nasty bad bird and some nasty ninja crows. As soon as someone finds a script, we might begin the show. Sit right back, kick up your feet, and turn the sound up high. And if you want the full effect, go eat a pizza pie.
Samurai Pizza Cats.
When the cherry blossoms bloom in Little Tokyo, the party animals come out to play. But a dark cloud hangs over our frolicking friends. A freak flash of freezing fury puts partygoers in the big chill. Yet just as quickly as the party goes on the rocks, a second flash melts the masses like a meteorological microwave. Somebody's messing with Mother Nature, and the weather's going through more changes than a newborn's diaper. Is this a case of cheap chills and the cherry blossoms?
Speedy!
Sit on your paws, Polly. I'm gonna prowl.
Hey! Speedy Cerviche, you come back here now! I'm not kidding!
This kitten is splitting.
Ah!
I made them especially for you.
Thanks.
Don't you think they'll be missing you at the pizza parlor soon? Well, Speedy?
You sound just like Polly. Frozen fricasseed fish balls. All right, I give up. Off to the pizza parlor.
I've learned the true meaning of catalyst.
Whew, it's Professor Ohm's son.
Maybe you fought a can fight.
But even his son's still grounded.
I say we dice the little guy.
Huh?
Oh, yeah? I don't care what you think.
Oh, but you will.
Hey! Stop! 3 against 1. Time to even the score.
Stop it right now! I'm getting angry!
This is not the perfect place to be right now. I'm out of here.
If you guys won't stop yourselves, I guess I'll just have to help out!
Really rancid. My mother told me there'd be days like this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's the matter, Junior? I thought you were some kind of superboy. Where's all that power you were bragging about? I told the truth.
Junior, they're not worth it.
Say what? So, your father invented an amplifier that can boost any kind of energy?
That doesn't explain why those kids had it in for you.
It's because I told them that when my dad got back from the invention convention, they'd be able to run fast and jump higher than ever before.
Invention convention?
So, Junior, were you telling the truth?
Of course, but my father's still not back yet. I'm worried.
Ooh,
He said he'd come back in time to see the cherry blossoms bloom.
Sorta looks like your dad missed the boat.
Of course he did. My father would never travel by boat.
ooh.
He said he'd be able to fly.
Freak with flying fathers. Wow. What will we have next?
Be serious, my dad's missing.
All right, Junior. Why don't you tell me everything you can about your dad's invention?
But Speedy, I already did.
Oh, yeah. Fly?
Professor Ohm. Since there's no way to escape, you might as well cooperate. No? Flo, come over here. What do you think? Time for a little friendly persuasion?
I won't fall for flower power.
We'll see. Now you know what it's like to live in Quebec. Perhaps now you'll learn to speak en français. Give us the secret or you'll be eating crepes, pal.
My invention is only for good. I will never give it to bad birds.
Okay, baby, fry 'em.
Wow! Oh, here comes the sun!
Say, Uncle Ohm.
Ah, this is hotter than a stolen Subaru! Ow!
Stop! There are other ways. My dear Professor, do you know where your son is?
That's brilliant.
Think what I could do with the mind of a child.
Well, Polly, the rumors say the Big Cheese has something new and dangerous up his sleeve.
Sorry, Francine. It looks like you're gonna have to put in overtime. Give us some time and he'll be slime. We'll bag him, gag him, then tag him.
He said he'd be able to fly.
That poor kid.
Hey, where are you going?
Tell you later. You snooze, you lose.
You better have a good explanation for this.
I promise, pal. Mas adios.
You're impossible. If by chance he's off to romance, he'll lose more than fur balls.
Oh, Pop.
So, son, you want to follow in your old man's footsteps?
Not exactly. One of us has to find a way out of this silly animation contract.
Hi.
You're gonna fall.
Samurais always land on their feet.
Not in Kurosawa movies.
Huh? Anyway, I'm here to help you find your dad.
Thanks a lot.
Bird Brain Battalion, attack!
Huh? Oh, no!
Get them, boys!
Get her move on, Junior!
They must be after me. It's because of my father. Thanks for saving me, Speedy. You're the best fighter I've ever seen. I just know you're gonna find my dad.
Oh, thanks a lot, kid, but it was nothing, really. When will I ever learn? Do not adjust your set.
Will Speedy end up a stat instead of a cat? Will Junior find Senior? And will you continue to be interested? Stay tuned and find out.
Huh?
Where are we?
I wouldn't know, kid. We're not in Kansas anymore.
Time for a family reunion.
Right away, sir. All right, move it. Move. I don't mean next week.
Hey, wait a minute. Where are you taking us?
Not you, just the kid.
All right.
Lucky for Speedy, he'd had his portable transmitter in for servicing earlier that week. With its state-of-the-art circuits, he'd know everything that went on in Junior's presence.
Oh, it's my father.
Stay back, son.
You're all right, Pop.
Junior, get up. What are you going to do to him?
Professor Ohm, that is entirely up to you. You show us how to use your power booster, and your son will be set free.
It's a simple business transaction. I get little Tokyo and you get your son back.
It's the Big Cheese, and he's up to his old tricks.
With your power booster unit, I will create storms the likes of which have never been seen in Little Tokyo. I will have created chaos that only I can undo. Your problems are over. I'm here to save you. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. The people of Little Tokyo will bow to my powers and bestness will boom. It'll be wonderful. Oh, boy, I can't wait.
I gotta stop him.
Father, you can't help him. You can't give in to his demands no matter what. Huh?
No! Let my son go!
Let go, you overgrown weed!
So, boy, how's the view? You have your father to thank for that particular perspective. Professor Ohm, I grow tired. Now, shall we have a little cooperation?
I'll get you for this!
I am truly trapped by treacherous trash.
It's a crime when I'm too tired to ride. Is that all you ever think about? Just because you're mad at the cat, don't yell at me.
Gee, I'm getting worried about Speedy.
You're what?
Meanwhile, back on Big's flying disaster, Professor Ohm was putting the last touches on Flo's power boost. Will the Big Cheese's evil plan come to fruition? Or will Speedy find a way out of the rat trap in time?
Fly there, pick up this, turn that. I'm gonna talk to Ninja Local 47 about this.
I've always wanted to say this. Fire all phasers! Flo, bring on the rain! Beautiful, just beautiful. Now ice them. Now toast them. This is beyond my wildest dreams. I love it. It's only a matter of time.
What is this, weather roulette? I really don't think we can put up with much more of this. In fact, we can't. Something up there smells like Seymour. This is a job for the pizza tax.
Al Dente says it's there, but I can't look everywhere. Here a degree, there a degree. That cloud looks like it shouldn't be.
Samurai pizza cats.
Ladies and gentlemen, out of the way. We're after a rat that has to pay. Oh, and don't forget our feeding frenzy on Friday night. The only kind of pizza I want to eat today is an ice cream pizza. For once, I actually find myself agreeing with you.
Of course, I can call for reinforcements.
Gosh, it's a call for reinforcements. Wonder who it is. Well, that cloud is developing quite a crowd. So, Meowsma, I'm pretty sure Speedy's up in the cloud.
Don't you worry, kitten. Meowsma's here.
Meowsma, what brings you out on the beach?
Speedy Cerviche's got his head in the clouds.
No kidding.
No, I mean literally.
Oh?
I'll take a closer look.
Won't we, though?
Bad bird.
Boy, sheet metal grade 3. Glad I wore my best bits.
This is even better than I thought. Rock alert!
Birds weren't meant to fly.
Hi, time for a break.
What took you so long?
Speedy Cerviche, this is what happens when you go catting around. Oh! I was just fooling.
You two all right?
Yep, thanks to you.
It's high time to get you out of here, Junior, and go find Professor Ohm.
This wasn't in the script. I want my stunt double, and I want him now.
You forgot to pay somebody off. On with the show. Now what? What's going on?
Let me explain. You're the bad guys, we're the good guys, we're gonna win!
Not while I'm alive.
Don't start to molt, Bad Bird. It's just your old pal Guido and the Samurai Sunspot umbrella.
Polyester at your service. I'm just a light-hearted gal.
Let's rumble. I'm tired of rapping. This is the best part.
Pizza Cats!
Bird Brain Battalion attack!
I bet I can do anything you can do better.
Dash, you dastardly daisy! How would you like a taste of your own medicine? My magical Ginsu sword should finish up the weeding. Now for the big finish!
I really ought to find another line of work.
Now don't try this at home, kids. Ta-da!
I'm so proud. You're such a brave and courageous young man.
Gee, Pop, I couldn't have done it without the help of the Pizza Cats.
They really are quite an incredible team, aren't they?
One still needs to learn the meaning of teamwork. Speedy?
Huh?
But you will. Because if you don't, you're going to be running from polyester for the rest of your life.
With another job well done, the Samurai Pizza Cats go back to tossing crusts, at least until their next exciting adventure.
On the next
Pizza Cats!
The Big Cheese and his cheesy associates are baffled at their lack of success in defeating our heroes and decide to take a look back at their previous encounters. They gather highlights of the last few battles with the Pizza Cats in the hopes of finding some weakness they can take advantage of.
They all wear cheap perfume.
The movie's filled with action, suspense, excitement, and yes, you guessed it, pizza!
boy, am I stuffed.
As each fantastically photographed scene filled with spectacular feats of courage by our heroes, as well as expensive special effects, unfolds before their beady little eyes, the Big Cheese and his dastardly bunch are forced to cringe at the tremendous blunders achieved by the Big Cheese's own forces. Will Cheese find a weakness and destroy our heroes? Will the Pizza Cats discover they're being filmed? Will Geriatric win the award for Best Direction? Find out the answer to the first two questions in Candid Kitty on the next Samurai Pizza Cats. The answer to the third question is no. Ladies and gentlemen, the Samurai Pizza Cat Fan Club Oath!
The Pizza Cats are samurai. And I'd like to note...
Their antics take your breath away.
Like fur balls in your throat.
We kittens are a special breed. We never call retreat.
Whenever Big Cheese knocks us down,
We land upon our fate.
So hail to thee, O Pizza Cat! Please ring your little bell. Although you may be pen and ink, we know you'll fight like
Pizza Cats!
Samurai Pizza Cats.
We hope you like the show. It's the best that we could do.
Samurai Pizza Cats.
If you could do better, then we'd leave it up to you. Just a reminder, you might like to know, the cats will be back for another big show. Oh, gosh.